So your probability of event A is given by n of A by n of total sample space. So that is 1 by 4. Next probability of B is n of B by n of S, which is 3 by 4. So let us see n of A intersection B. Yes, there is one common element. So n of A intersection B. So first let us see A intersection B. So we are going to get only one element, that is girls. Both are girls. So n of A intersection B. If I take n of A intersection B, means how many are there? Only one event is occurring. Therefore, it is asking probability of A intersection B, that is n of A intersection B by n of S, that is 1 by 4. So therefore, conditional probability of A by B is given as probability of A intersection B by probability of B. So probability of A intersection B is 1 by 4. Probability of B is 3 by 4. So 4 gets cancelled. So the probability of A by B is 1 by 3. Suppose if you are taking 4 letters. If 4 letters we are taking into consideration, A, B, C, D. From these 4 letters we are going to select 2 letters. So 2 letters we are going to select it. So the number of combinations we are going to get it as AB, AC, AD, BC, BD, and CD. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 combinations we are going to get. So here the order is not at all important, only the selection of letters are important. Since we are going to select 2 letters from the 4 letters, so we are going to get totally 6 combinations. Suppose if n distinct objects are there, if n distinct objects taken are at a time is given as NCR. So C stands for combination. Formula is n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Okay, we have a few properties regarding this. Let us learn the properties. So the first property is NCN is equals to 1. So let us prove this. So let us take left hand side NCN. So we have the formula n factorial by n factorial into n minus n factorial. So n factorial gets cancelled. So 1 by 0 factorial. 0 factorial value is 1, which is equals to RHS. Next, the second one property is that NC0 is equals to 1. So let us take left hand side NC0, that is n factorial by n minus 0 factorial into 0 factorial. So that is n factorial by n minus 0 factorial is n factorial, 0 factorial is 1. So the answer is 1. So the third property is NCR is given as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 so on up to n minus r plus 1 by r factorial. Next, the fourth property we have NCR is equals to NCn minus r. NCR is equals to NCn minus r. So these are the 4 properties. Next, coming to the fifth property. So in the fifth property, NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equals to n plus 1 CR. So let us start doing the proof of this. So let us take the left hand side, NCR plus NCR minus 1. So that is n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial plus n factorial by r minus 1 factorial into n minus r plus 1 factorial. So n factorial by r into r minus 1 factorial into n minus r factorial plus n factorial by r minus 1 factorial n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial. So we can take r minus 1 factorial common and n minus r factorial common in both. So in the numerator n factorial by r minus 1 factorial into n minus r factorial we can take common. The left terms are 1 by r plus 1 by n minus r plus 1. Next we are going to get it as n factorial by r minus 1 factorial into n minus r factorial. In the denominator we are going to get r into n minus r plus 1 n minus r plus 1 plus r gets cancelled, we are going to get n plus 1. So that is n factorial into n plus 1 by r into r minus 1 factorial n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial. So this can be written as n factorial by r factorial by n minus r factorial. So which is equals to, here it is n plus 1 factorial. Okay. N plus 1 CR. Next, let us talk about the sixth property. So sixth property is NCR is equals to n by r into n minus 1 CR minus 1. So let us start doing the proof. So let us take RHS, that is n by r into n minus 1 CR minus 1. So n by r into n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So that is n by r into n minus 1 factorial by r minus 1 factorial, 1 gets cancelled. So that is n minus r factorial. So n into n minus 1 factorial we can write it as n factorial by r into r minus 1 factorial we can write it as r factorial by n minus r factorial. So that is NCR, which is equals to left hand side. So we have proved this. Next we have another property, seventh one. So let us see the next property here. So given NCX is equals to NCY, but we know that NCX is equals to NCN minus X. Since we know the formula that NCR is NCN minus R. So this is the first equation, this is the second equation. From 1 and 2, we can see that NCX is equals to NCN minus X is equals to NCY. So X is equals to Y or N minus X is equals to Y. That is N equals to X plus Y. Let us solve exercise 4.3 fourth question. So prove that 15C3 plus 2 into 15C4 plus 15C5 is equal to 17C5. So let us start doing the solution. So let us take the left hand side, that is 15C3 plus 2 into can be written as 15C4 plus 15C4 plus 15C5. So this is in the form of NCR plus NCR minus 1. It can be written as N plus 1 CR. So that is 15 plus 1 C4. Here also 15 plus 1 C5. The formula that we have used is NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to N plus 1 CR. So that is 16 C4 plus 16 C5. Here also NCR plus NCR minus 1. It can be written as N plus 1 CR. That is 17 C5, which is equals to RHS. Let us take the left hand side to prove this. So left hand side is equals to 35 C5 plus summation of R is equals to 0 to 4, 39 minus R C4. So let us substitute 0 to 4 values in this. So 35 C5 plus 0 if I substitute, 39 C4, 38 C4, 37 C4, 36 C4 and 35 C4. So if I combine these two, if I take into consideration NCR and NCR R minus 1, so it will be N plus 1 CR plus 39 C4 plus 38 C4 plus 37 C4 plus 36 C4. So it will be 36 C5 and 36 C4. 36 C5 plus 36 C4 plus 39 C4, 38 C4 plus 37 C4. So these two are in the form of NCR plus NCR minus 1. So that is N plus 1 CR plus 39 C4 plus 38 C4 plus 37 C4. Next, this 37, the NCR and NCR minus 1. So which can be written as 38 C5 plus 39 C4 plus 38 C4. So here also NCR plus NCR minus 1. So that is 39 C5 plus 39 C4. So which is 40 C5, which is equals to RHS. So in all this formula we have used only one formula, that is NCR plus NCR minus 1 equals to N plus 1 CR. Next question. If N plus 1 C8 is N minus 3 P4 is equals to 57 is to 16. So let us see the solution for this. So N plus 1 C8 by N minus 3 P4 is equals to 57 by 16. Let us do cross multiplication. So 16 into N plus 1 C8 is equals to 57 into N minus 3 P4. So 16 into N plus 1 factorial by 8 factorial into N minus 7 factorial is equals to 57 into N minus 3 factorial by N minus 7 factorial. So N minus 7 factorial, N minus 7 factorial gets cancelled. So this can be written as 16 into N plus 1 factorial by 8 factorial is equals to 57 into N minus 3 factorial. So it can be written as N into N minus 1, N plus 1 into N minus 1 into N minus 2 into N minus 3 factorial is equals to 57 into 8 factorial by 16 into N minus 3 factorial. So N minus 3 factorial, N minus 3 factorial gets cancelled. So the left terms are n plus 1 into n minus 1 into n minus 2 is equals to, so 57 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 by 16. 8 ones, 8 twos, 2 2 gets cancelled. So the left terms are 57 into 42 into 20 into 3. So here the terms are n plus 1 into n minus 1 into n minus 2. So if I multiply this and arrange the terms in the proper order, it will be 21 into 20 into 19 into 18. So if I match with this, so first our term will be n plus 1, second term will be n. He is asking n value, so n value will be 20. Yeah, next question, prove that 2n Cn is equal to 2 to the power of n 1 to 1 3 up to 2n minus 1 by n factorial. So let us take the left hand side here, 2n Cn. So according to NCR formula, n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So 2n factorial can be written as 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 into so on, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 divided by n factorial into n factorial. So in this, equally there will be two, in total 2n terms, there will be odd terms equally and even terms equally. So let us take even terms first, 2n, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 4, so on, 4 into 2. This is one pair, and odd terms are 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3, so on, into 3 into 1 divided by n factorial into n factorial. So in this we can take 2 power n common. So if I take 2 power n common, the left terms are n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, so on, into 2 into 1. And the left terms here it is 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3, into so on, into 3 into 1 divided by n factorial into n factorial. So this total we will get it as n factorial. So n factorial gets cancelled, 2 power n into n factorial by 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 3, so on, 3 into 1 divided by n factorial. N factorial gets cancelled. So the left terms are 2 to the power n into 1 into 3 into 5 into so on up to 2n minus 1 divided by n factorial. So this is the required RHS. Next, let us see the 8th question. In 8th question, we need to prove that n into n minus 1 c r minus 1 is equals to n minus r plus 1 into n c r minus 1. So now to prove this, let us take left hand side separately and right hand side separately. So n into n minus 1 c r minus 1, that is n into n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So that is n into n minus 1 factorial divided by r minus 1 factorial into n minus r factorial. So this can be written as n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r minus 1 factorial. So let us see the RHS side, whether we are going to get the same answer or not. So let us take the RHS side. So in the right hand side, we are going to take n minus r plus 1 into n c r minus 1. So n minus r plus 1 into n factorial by r minus 1 factorial into n minus r plus 1 factorial. So that is n minus r plus 1 into n factorial by r minus 1 factorial into n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial. So these two gets cancelled. The remaining terms are n factorial by r minus 1 factorial into n minus r factorial. So the left hand side and right hand side we are going to get the same answer.